Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is Fermat's little theorem application. If a googoloplex is 10 to the power 10 to the power 100, what day of the week will it be googoloplex day from now? Today is Sunday. So friends, by Fermat Little's theorem, 10 to the power 6 is equal to 1 mod 7. Because friends, everyone know that what is the Fermat theorem. I have already discussed. So now I will try to say what is the Fermat little theorem. Fermat little theorem is that is a fundamental theorem, elementary number theory. So this theorem wise, a to the power p minus 1 equals to 1 mod p. A is any positive number. A is in here 10 and p is equal to 7. So p minus 1, 10 to the power 6. 6 means 7 minus 1. So A is positive integer, not divisible by 7. Okay. So this theorem wise it is correct. Okay. So thus we want to find out what is 10 to the power 100 is in mod 6. So 10 square is equal to 100, equivalent to 4, and 10 mod 6, and thus by induction 10 to the power k is equal to 10 4 mod 6. So 10 to the power 100 can be written as 4 mod 6. So 10 to the power 100 can be written as 6c plus 4 for some positive integer c. So 10 to the power 10 to the power 100 equals to 10 to the power 6c plus 4 is equal to 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 10, 10 to the power 100, and 10 to the power 6 is equal to 1 mod 7. So it is 1 to the power c, and 100 square, 10 to the power 4 means 100 square, that is 100 square means 2 square. How it is 2 square, friends? Because when we divide it by 7, then we know that 7 into 14 means 98. Okay, 4 7 okay, 14, so it is 98. So it is 2 and 2 square means 4, so 4 mod 7. So this means googoloplex is 4 more than a multiple of 7, which means the day of the week will increase by 4. Therefore, in googoloplex day, it will be a Thursday. So friends, thanks for watching. Hope you can understand my work.